Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's been quite a while since my last video. So today I have for you a very simple, easy and fun tutorial. These are completely hidden paper clips that you can use to clip things in your journal, or you can also use these as little bookmarks when you're reading something. So how do they work is, these have uh, a two side partition sort of. You can see two different layers and a gap in between. So what you do is you just tuck them in like that. You can make these with anything that you have on hand, just cardstock or any firm kind of sturdy paper. But making it with cardstock has an advantage that it's not very difficult to put them on and remove them like that, so it gets easier. With paper, there are chances that you might fold them, bend them, and they might go a little wonky. But with cardstock, that's not going to happen. So this is how they look. You can of course decorate at the back also, so it'll be entirely hidden it, and you wouldn't be able to understand uh, what it is. But what I like is just decorating the front and leaving the back plain, but it's entirely up to you, uh, however you like to do it. The fun part is that it's really simple, and once you get going, you make a lot of these, and it's nice to have them ready at hand. So what I used to make mine is I've just used some scrap cardstock strips like these. Now you can use any size, but I went with about, this is around 1.25 inch by I think 7.5 inches. Of course the size also depends on the size of your paper clip. If your clip is bigger, you'll need a larger, more maybe slightly broader and a longer strip. But my clip is maybe 1.25 inches, so a fairly good size. So this size of cardstock suits me fine. So what I've done is I've just taken some strips, and what you do is you begin by taking your cardstock strip and folding it, leaving maybe 3/4 of an inch margin, and then you fold it and nice and tight, and you just make the fold crisp. Use a bone folder or the back of a scissors or anything that you have. And what you're doing is you're folding it right sides together. So this is the wrong side, that's the thing, that's the side that's going to go inside. And then you take your paper clip and you just clip it in place like that. What you do next is you can just leave maybe a quarter or a slightly slightly more than 1/4 inch, and then give yourself a crease like that. This determines the size of your finished hidden paper clip. All right, and of course it depends on the size of your paper clip that you begin with. If your paper clip is larger, then you leave a slightly longer space and then fold, but this is just fine. So you can see how much of a distance I've kept, and then you fold it like that. Then you match your fold with the other strip like that, and you just use your bone folder to crisp your edges. So now you can see you have two folded edges together like this. Now this is where your paper goes. Then you have this top part that you can fold over. So the whole paper clip is now hidden. It looks something like this. And this is where the paper goes. So now we can just glue this in place. Just hold it tight and let the glues stick together nicely. So that's it, that's done. Now you can decorate it how you like. So I'll just quickly make one more just so you can see the process again. So we are folding the cardstock right sides inside, and then leaving about half or slightly more than half an inch of a margin, and then folding it tight. We then just place our paper clip like that, then leave about maybe half an inch of gap, and then fold it over. Then match your fold on the other side so the two folded edges are level. Then fold the extra portion over the top of the paper clip. There you go. Then you glue the whole thing down. Hold it tight and let the glue stick, and that's it. The paper clips are done. So what you can do now is decorate these in different ways. Now I have a few of these white flowers. These are made from watercolor paper. The good thing about these is you can color them, ink them up however you like. So what I'm going to do is maybe put this one here. So again, I'm just going to decorate the front. It's up to you whether you want to decorate the front and the back both. So if you do the both, it goes something like this, and then when you put it in the paper, it really doesn't give away that it's a paper clip. So you can do like that if you want, but I'm just going to go with just the one side. So what I have here is a few distress oxides near me, so I'm just going to use that and just quickly ink the flower up slightly just to make it more interesting. you can just decorate it, decorate these however you want, and use stickers or anything that you have on hand. There you go. Maybe we'll just add a center. I have a few of these buttons. Let's see which one looks nice. Maybe a darker color. Yeah, I like this one. So that's it. Let's just put this away to dry. But that's how this looks, and I think it looks nice. Let's quickly decorate these. So I have these 3 little flowers. I thought we could just put them together, sort of a collection of flowers. So let's ink these also. So I have inked these. You just use different distress oxide to color these up. So maybe something like that. Yeah, I like this arrangement. So let's just go ahead and glue them down. And it's perfectly fine if your decorations just go over the edge of the paper clip. That's just, I think, makes it more interesting. For the centers of these flowers, of course these buttons would be too large, so I have these I don't know what you call these are sort of flat backed gems that you can peel off and stick. So let's do that. Just putting a contrasting center to each flower just makes it pop better. Let's use a green one for this. And perhaps a yellow sort of golden one for our red flower. These gems already come with a with an adhesive backing, but I don't trust those, so I just peel the backing off and add my own glue. So that's how this one looks. So that's it for this tutorial. Let me know how you found the video, and until we meet again, take care. Bye.